Hey guys, I know it's been a really long time since we've made a video. And last video I made, I meant to say after a midterm break, not midterm, so I'm sorry. There's too much things in my brain. I can't really think of what to upload first, so just really stressed out. But finally, we're getting a video. It's gonna be a Madfut pack opening. It's not only gonna be a pack opening, we're gonna do more things like drafts, the LTM packs. We're gonna do all of those, maybe even a seeding video in the future though, not right now. So first we'll kick off this video with an 87 plus special pack. Okay, we're getting a free 87 plus pack. Let's open it. It's gonna be an icon, Italian, and it's gonna be a centre back, Cannavaro, Nesta, Maldini, Nesta. I actually opened my 100% road to the knockout pack before I started recording this video. I packed 92 Lewa. My club is so insane, Madfut already. Still haven't gotten Pele though. Okay, packs. Saved. Some OP special packs. Team Drake, McTominay. Changed Farmer 9, I think 1 or 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 1 week ago. To Primer 9 for United. Wait a minute. Ooh, 89 Dembele. It's a new collection. Good sounds, very high rated too. So got a cheeky James Madsen. One of the best midfielders in the Prem, of course. French, okay, icon French. It's gonna be a left mid. It's gonna be Piers. He's new. Ooh, and gold Salah. Now I have 3 versions of him. Did I say Salah? Got some Egyptian, so I say it the Egyptian way. Okay, 91 plus OP space back now. Come on, come on. It's an icon. No, it's a team of the week. Why did I think that was an icon? Wait, that's Harry Kane, right? Ah. Okay, a team of Harry Kane, 91 rated. Pretty decent. But it's 91 plus special pack. I am really expecting better than that. Times 2 special pack. Okay, triple special pack. Let's see what's in this. Hero. Berbatov. I only have 1 or 2 duplicates of him. And Dante is decent. Anthony is also new for the collection. Okay, let's do some 30% trailblazers packs, I guess. I'm hoping for a 92 Kane. That would be absolutely class. I mean, what else? Hansen is probably one of the best players in the game now. I only have the Bruyne, so I don't know why he's looking up. Ooh, 88 pop. And 50k. Oh, trailblazers in the last one. So I'm saying it really fast, and it sounds like I'm a 5-year-old. 87 Alvarez. I'm saying it trailblazers. Okay, maybe. No, I don't wanna use all my coins. Okay, let's do some higher, lower. Ooh. 5% future icon pack. Wait, Killian is an SBC. Latest cards. Oh, Killian has a 93 and a 90. He played left back. Okay, let's just get in the higher lower. Passing higher. Oh my god, that's looking strong on the first. Super round. Okay, what do we do? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pick a random one. That's like the third wish. That's the second wish choice. By 2 piece. That's definitely lower. That's definitely lower again. Definitely. So it's still a good passion with that, of course. Higher. Lisa Hazel. Dribbling. Does Baldy have higher dribbling than that? Yes. Oh, that's Cancelo. Oh, Gelson Martins. I'm gonna say lower. Yup. 7. E6 piece. Gaia has less. Those trailblazers then might have had more. That Kai Havertz passing higher. Right, so some are 82 too. Lower. A special pick. Okay, we'll open it after I lose the sound. We found some pace lower. Okay, this higher. Extra life. Okay.
Buy one, get one.
Okay. Pending. This has to be higher. Barca Legend. It's possible to get the 87 maximum icon pack, which came out yesterday. I didn't open one actually because I already packed 88 Loudrop on FIFA anyway, so didn't need him. 680. Okay, good. Special pick. It's only 78 to 86. But we're probably gonna pack a new card, so I'm not complaining. Okay, yeah. Trailblazers. 1,201 and 10. I mean, we can almost buy a 92 plus pack. There's this. Okay, let's go until we get the 92 plus special pack, and maybe the drafts and the trading will be for another video in the future. But it's gonna be this week. I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting. Let's go lower. Lower. Oh. I thought it was Bernardo Silva. Oh. I thought it was Bernardo Silva. I thought that was Bernardo Silva. Okay, I really thought that was Bernardo Silva because it didn't say Trailblazers there, but it was really bad, unfortunately. We still got 450 points out of that one. So, quit. Oh. So I have some left to get 92 plus pack. let's fast forward to the end of this game, to when I get going to plus back, and then of course we will open it. Okay, peace for a little bit. Okay guys, after this round we are gonna get the pack, of course. Also have an OP special pack, which I got from playing this. Okay, we're at a very high on streak. The other thing, improved pick. These are actually, I think that those are decent. Watkins. Cool. Oh, Marcel, yeah, lower. Every card. Just lower. I tried them better. That's lower. This is lower. This is higher. No. Oh, 2,685. I almost beat my record. Okay. 7,400 points. And also these packs. Okay, that's icon, of course. Center forward. Oh, Cruyff! Insane! Oh, triple walkouts and 285s too. Give us an 89. Oh, I'll take an 88. And then higher, lower. Go to the market. Press on this, press on this, press on this. Trailblazer, get in. Oh, it's a duplicate Mbappe. Yeah, I can use them in trading for the next video. Okay, guys. This is gonna be out of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.